ESET Mobile Security Premium Review. So, if you want to know about ESET Mobile Security Premium Review, then this video is for you. ESET Mobile Security Premium is a powerful antivirus and anti-theft app designed to keep your Android or iOS device safe from threats. So, you can just simply go with your browser and you can search for eset.com, which will take you to the website. Right. So, ESET will protect your phone from virus and malware. As you can see here, you can simply download the application from your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and set up the process. The setup process is pretty straightforward. Once you launch the application, you'll need to log in with your ESET account, and from there, you're ready to start configuring your settings. Now, if you want to go into the features of the ESET Mobile Security Premium, then this app offers a wide range of protection for your device, which includes antivirus protection, anti-theft features, app lock, SMS and call filter, security audit, and etc. One thing I love about ESET Mobile Security Premium is that it doesn't slow down your phone. The app runs in the background with minimal impact on performance, and the scan speed is pretty fast. Whether you're using a phone for everyday tasks or playing games, you won't notice much lag. The interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Even if you're not tech savvy, you'll find the app very user-friendly. The free version offers basic antivirus protection, but to unlock all the features like anti-theft, app lock, SMS and call filtering, and the advanced security audit, you'll need to upgrade to the premium version. While the free version is decent if you want full protection for your device, I definitely recommend the premium plan. So overall, ESET Mobile Security Premium is an excellent choice if you're looking for a reliable, feature-rich security app for your mobile device. It offers comprehensive protection against malware, phishing, and theft, all while keeping things easy to use. While the premium price is a bit higher than some alternatives, I think the features and peace of mind you'll get are well worth the cost. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.